Okay, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's topic, we're going to be discussing everything you need to know about mechanical engineering. The fundamental things, the basic things you need to know about mechanical engineering. But before we proceed, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to get your pen and jotter so you can put things down in writing. Okay, let's dive in. Mechanical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with machines, motion, and energy. It focuses on how energy is converted into useful work in real-life systems, like engines and generators. A very important concept in mechanical engineering is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the study of heat and energy and how energy changes from one form to another. One key idea in the first law of thermodynamics, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted. This is exactly what happens inside engines. Let's start with the car engine first. A car engine is a machine that converts fuel into motion. Most cars use what is called an internal combustion engine. Inside the engine, fuel mixes with air and burns, producing heat. This heat creates high pressure that pushes a piston, and this movement is transferred through a crankshaft to produce motion that moves the car. This process follows a thermodynamic cycle known as the Otto cycle in petrol engines. The cycle has four main stages: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. During these stages, fuel is burned, heat is produced, and that heat is converted into mechanical energy. So in simple terms, the engine is converting chemical energy from fuel into heat and then into motion. Now, let's look at a generator engine. The principle is very similar. The only difference is size and shape. A generator engine usually use diesel to produce motion. Sometimes it usually uses fuel, petrol, to produce motion. This engine also works using an internal combustion engine, but it often follows the diesel cycle. Fuel is burned, heat is generated, and that heat produces motion by moving piston. See, it's very similar. It's very similar. Almost same thing with car engine. The only difference is that car moves from one place to another, but generator stays in one place. The difference is what happens next. Instead of moving a car, the engine turns a shaft that drives generator. The generator then produces electricity using electromagnetic induction. So the energy conversion goes from heat to mechanical energy and finally to electrical energy. In both car engine and generator engine, the idea remains the same. Heat energy from fuel is converted into mechanical work. This is why thermodynamics is such an important part of mechanical engineering. In summary, mechanical engineering focuses on machines that convert energy into useful forms, and thermodynamics explain how heat is transformed into motion in systems like car, engine, and generators. So that is the basic thing about mechanical engineering. It's all about heat, conversion of energy into work. Don't forget, we say that this energy is transferred from thermodynamic into what? Which pushes the piston. The piston and rings is in the engine. When the piston is being pushed, the crankshaft now rotates. As it is rotating, motion is being produced. That is the basic thing you need to know about mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is a very wide field. It's very, very wide. to me, is the most sweetest part of mechanical of engineering. The most sweetest part of engineering, because is that it deals with it needs creativity, critical thinking. It's for solution finders. It makes you to think critically. You can use object, you can convert objects into work. You can bring ideas into reality. So that is what makes mechanical engineering very sweet. So in our next video, we'll be discussing those parts, those engine parts that contribute to the movement of motion in the engine. Those important spare parts, important parts in the engine that causes a generator or a car engine to move and function very well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always stay tuned, because we'll be dropping more videos, very important videos that deals with mechanical engineering. Thank you.